boys, I got some good news today. I got some really good news. I found a microphone for under $100.
You what?
It can be used for anything. Zoom calls, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, anything. Even if you're just playing with the boys and you're sick and tired of them making fun of your Dollar Tree headset, okay? I got something good for you guys. Alright, obviously we haven't given it a sound test yet, but we're going to go ahead and give you guys an unboxing, and then we're going to go ahead and put it to the sound test. So let's try this bad boy out. Alrighty. The packaging on this is actually, they did such a good job with the packaging. Let me go ahead and just show you guys what it looks like when you first open the box. You have your user guide, but let me tell you, this microphone right here is so simple to use and set up that you're not going to even need this. So you might as well just take this, throw it away. Okay, you don't need it. I'm going to show you how to set this up, and it's extremely easy. This is where you have the actual microphone. Go ahead and get this bad boy out. Set it right there. And then we've also got this, and this is for a boom arm if you want to set up a boom arm. I'll show you how to set this up in a second. And then it also comes with the power cord for this bad guy, and I'll show you that in a minute too. Okay, so before we waste any more time, I'm just going to go ahead and hook up this mic. I'm going to show you guys how to hook it up. Very, very, very simple. We're going to walk through it right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this cord right here. This USB, this is about a 6-foot USB cord. Very simple plug-in. Just plug and play. Plug it in. And then all you have to do is take the back end of this right here, plug it into a spot in your computer. Okay, so this is going to be really simple. If you aren't trying to set it up to your OBS yet, you're just going to go to your settings. Type in settings. Then you're going to go to your input, okay? Just go to your input right here and make sure it says FIFINE K690 microphone. Just make sure it says that. You'll be good. And if you want to set it up in OBS, all you have to do is come over to here and press the plus button, then just go up to audio input capture, and then you just have to add create new, and then it'll give you a drop down menu, and all you have to do is just select the FIFINE USB Microphone K690, and then you're set. So on the back of the microphone here, it's got patterns right here, and that is basically, I'm going to put up a chart basically and just show what that does. So that basically just decides what areas around the microphone will pick up sound. And then this right here is basically the gain / volume. You just want to make sure you listen to yourself, record yourself, or even just simply plugging in just a head jack right there, and you can actually listen to yourself talk and get the right settings down. But yeah, so that's basically what these are. You can adjust the sound. So if you want to sit farther away from your mic, you can just crank this up. If you want to change the pattern, you just change that. And then you switch to the front of the mic here. Very simple. We got ourselves just a mute button right here. So if I were to press this mute button, it would just, you can't hear me. So green means it's you can hear me. The red means it's muted. And then over here, basically this right here is just the volume. So if you do want to put in a headphone jack, you can adjust the volume to listen to yourself, which is really cool, especially when you're setting up the microphone. You can kind of just plug and play and get the settings correctly. If you want to plug in a USB, just get that sound perfectly, because like I said, this is a very easy plug and play microphone. No problem so far whatsoever. Also, I am sitting a little bit close, as you guys can see. I'm probably sitting, a 1.5 foot away from this microphone, but you can get great audio even if you're not sitting close to it. I personally, this is how I like to work with my microphones. I like to have them close. I like to get that crisp, deep, almost podcast vibe when I use my microphones. But that is my personal preference. If you don't want that, that's fine. You can just turn up the gain a little bit and you can put it back. It's that simple. There's so many things you can do with this microphone. But like I said, some of you guys know that I like to travel a lot. I like to go to Michigan to go see my girlfriend. I fly up there, and I have to stream while I'm there or make content of some sort, TikToks, YouTube videos, anything, across the board. And this microphone right here is going to be the new microphone I'm taking everywhere. I'm flying with, I'm traveling with everywhere. I mean, like I said, it's light, it's 3 pounds, but it's solid. It's not going to get busted if I throw it in my suitcase and I want to go up to Michigan for the weekend. And personally, I'm excited because I'm going to be able to use this for all of my content. And shout out to FIFINE for sending me this mic. I mean, I'm genuinely impressed. You guys did a great job. You really did. And like I said, I'm not going to tell my viewers and my subscribers that I like something or go buy this or you should get this if it's not the best deal, if it's not going to help them out the most. If I'm not going to lie to your face is what I'm trying to say. This is you can't find a cheaper microphone with the best quality. I mean, this is giving the best possible quality for your dollar, and I'm gonna keep stressing that the money saver is huge for me. Because you've got these new kids that are getting into streaming and making content. This is such a big way to make money now, and people are really getting into it. And people are going out and spending thousands of dollars on audio when you don't even have to. So I actually just listened to the recordings that this microphone is putting out, and wow, they really did something with this, man. I mean, I can't even think of another mic that is competing with the same price. I can't even tell you right now on the top of my mind another mic that even sells or lower than $100 and gives out this kind of quality. I really can't tell. I mean, this microphone is putting out the same exact quality. Other people are paying $400 for to get a condenser mic, and on top of the condenser mic, you gotta get a mixer and all this junk, which I have. Okay, I've spent $500 on a mixer. I've spent another $500 on a microphone. This is the best possible route anybody could possibly go. I mean, it's a wire into the back of your computer, into the mic. It's that simple. I mean, it doesn't mess with your voice at all. It's giving you a straight shot of your voice. It doesn't sound like it's altered in any way, shape, or form. It reflects how you truly sound in real life. And I did just kind of want to touch on the simple fact that this boom arm, you don't have to keep this desk mount if you don't want to. If you would like to put in a boom arm, it does come with something to set up a boom arm. So literally all you have to do is just screw it in right there on the bottom, and then you can just set up your boom arm that way. Because I know a lot of people would prefer a boom arm, and I am one of those people that would, when I stream, I'd rather have a boom arm. If it's like a podcast or something, it's a different setting. But streaming for sure, to keep things out of your way while you're playing games or doing other things, a boom arm is definitely a great investment. So yeah, this comes with it. It's pretty cool that they added that, because most mics don't even come with that. They'll give you like just the bottom screw to kind of figure it out, but then you got to buy obviously you have to buy the boom arm separate, but they'll make you buy these pieces separate too. So that's actually pretty cool about FIFINE. They give you an option for the boom arm, which is really cool. FIFINE, you guys did an amazing job with this microphone. Thank you so much for sending me this microphone. And you guys really nailed it on the head with this one. Guys, I'm going to be dropping the link to this microphone. If anyone is interested in buying it and or checking it out, don't be silly. Don't go spend hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars on audio. Stay simple, especially if you're just starting out in the streaming world or content creation world. Get something simple, and this is the best bang for your buck, man. Under $100, and honestly, one of the best microphones I've ever owned. So thank you again, FIFINE. I appreciate you guys, and I'll drop the link to this microphone down below if you guys want to buy it. Peace.